Hi guys, in this video we'll try to see how we can generate the embeddings, because you know that whatever data we have, this is a raw data and we can pass directly to the LLM. Okay, for this we have to convert it to the numbers. Okay, that means to the vector, and we also use something called vector database, and we also store these are the vector to the vector database. Okay, so for this we have to convert this text to the embeddings. So I'll show you one demo how it can be done. So here again I'll be using LangChain. So here I'm using OpenAI embedding model. Okay, with the help of OpenAI embedding model, what I will do, I'll just try to generate the vector embedding. So let me import first of all this OpenAI embedding from the LangChain OpenAI. Now let's say these are my documents. Okay, English text. You can use your own documents. You can load your custom, let's say TXT file or PDF file. I think I already showed you. Okay, how to load it. Now let's define this particular text. Now I will pass this particular data to my embedding documents. Okay, that means to the embedding model. There is a function called embed documents. Now if I execute, you'll see that your data would be converted to the numbers. Let me show you. It's executing. Now if I show you, see, this is your vector embeddings. Okay, now these embeddings I can store to the vector database. So you can see the length, even you can see the some of the vectors. Got it? So these embeddings actually now I can store to the vector database. In the next video I'll show you how we can store to the vector database, how we can create our private knowledge base, okay, with the help of that. So yes guys, this is the demo of the embeddings. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.